Yeah, this car was booked in a movie shoot. So I don't know if they were trying to find a car that looked like a police car or what. This guy breaking into my car. He just broke in. What's he taking?